This is a Just That Simple production. Meet Steve. Just last week, he was reconciling spreadsheets in accounting. Then he used ChatGPT to write his out-of-office message, and somehow became our head of AI innovation. Leadership saw innovation. What they got was Steve. Steve's first move? Replace HR with an AI chatbot. It now auto-replies with yoga quotes and colonoscopy reminders.
One person asked for vacation, the bot booked a full-body diagnostic.
Then came the big launch. The future is now, and so am I. He trademarked it. The execs asked for an AI roadmap. Steve gave them a glitter-covered vision board. Is he a genius? A visionary? Or just the only guy who opened ChatGPT? Leadership saw innovation. What they got was Steve. Steve's first big idea? Automating HR with ChatGPT. What could go wrong, right? Well, let's just say our employees were surprised to find themselves booked for colonoscopies instead of performance reviews. But Steve was unstoppable. His keynote speech was something else. Picture this. Steve on stage, surrounded by space visuals, proclaiming, "We're not just reaching for the stars, we're teaching the stars to reach for us." The audience was stunned. Was it brilliance or madness? Spoiler alert, it was neither. The company built him an AI command center. It was just a room full of screens showing The Matrix on loop. But Steve didn't notice. He'd spend hours in there, typing random commands like enhance and zoom and enhance. I don't think he realized it wasn't voice activated. In his finest hour, Steve stood before us all, holding up a USB drive like Excalibur, declaring, "On this tiny stick, the future of our company." Spoiler alert, it was just his vacation photos. Finally, reality hit. Steve sent out a company-wide email with his groundbreaking strategy. Let's just Google it. And just like that, the great AI revolution of our company ended. Not with a bang, but with a confused whimper and a lot of unscheduled medical procedures.
So, what did we learn? When your AI plan starts with vibes and ends with oops, you don't need strategy, you need a Steve.